Hey guys, welcome back to Snout Alone, and my dad gave me this pocket knife. If you watched part 1, it's called Twintastic slices her hand open. There we go. Slices her finger open. I did. The first time I tried to film this, I did. So, I'm going to retry it with the same pocket knife, and my dad taught me how you tell which side is spiky, I guess, which one's not. So, the first thing that I said last time was there's these little holes, indents. You put your nail in those, and then one second. Yes. This was the one that cut me last time. Ah, my finger. There. So how you tell which side's sharp and which one's not? See how that side's really, really thin? When you see the other one, it's nice and thick. See, that one doesn't cut you, but the other one will cut you. Like what happened right here. Alright. Also, I set the little nail holes in there. Right there. Alright, let's put that one back down. Touching the thick side though. There we go, we're safe. We didn't cut ourselves this time. Here's a smaller knife right there. It's a smaller knife, so use it to like cut open things or slice and dice. Pow, pow. The bigger one's better for slicing. This one's not really. Alright, let's pull out this one. Well, I actually don't know what this one is. So, let's go ask Papa. He's an expert. Daddy's in the army, so he knows. On a quest to find Daddy. Hello, Mama.
Hello, sweetie.
So, Daddy. What tool is this right here?
That is a bottle opener.
Alright.
And a wire stripper.
Alright. This is a bottle opener and a wire stripper. Hopefully you can tell what that means. It's like a... Yeah. Let's put that one back in. Alright. There we go. There. Alright, and I think next we're going to try out... We already did that one. Haven't done... You can't get out that one. Okay. We just did this one. We did that one already too. What about... How do I open that one? We've done all these 3 already. As y'all probably know, do not hold these near your face like I just did. It's a bad idea because you could obviously cut yourself in the face. So I guess that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Now, let me just fold these back in. There we go, we're on the thick side. Alright, so that's all I could really get into today, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. If you want one of these pocket knives, you can easily buy one. They're just search up pocket knife, Amazon, Target, wherever you usually buy things, there will probably be a pocket knife somewhere. Well, see ya peeps, bye! Make sure to leave a like, subscribe,